Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time you've come across this channel, please kindly subscribe, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. So I'm here today with an amazing video, how to grow sprouted corn for your chicken plus benefits. So we are going to look at how to grow sprouted corn, and also we are going to look at the benefits. But first of all, we are going to look at the benefits. So number one benefit is that sprouted corn improves nutrient absorption. Sprouting breaks down complex carbohydrate in corn, making them easier for chicken to digest and absorb nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and protein more efficiently. Another benefit is that sprouted corn can have a slightly higher protein content compared to regular corn, which is beneficial for muscle function in poultry. Another benefit is that the sprouting process can make corn more palatable for chickens, potentially leading to increased feed intake. It makes our chicken to increase in food intake. So all what you need to do is to get your maize or corn. We have different species of corn. You get your corn just the way I'm doing. You wash your corn. Wash it very well. You get your corn and then you wash it well. So you need to wash it well because of some people use chemicals to preserve their corn. You need to wash it very well. I'm adding water again. So if you want to know how to do it, you need to watch this video to the very end and see the process. So after washing your maize, you need to soak it. This is my already soaked maize. I soaked it for 24 hours. This is my already soaked maize. After washing your maize, you soak it for just at least for a day. And then this is my already soaked corn. This is my already soaked corn. And then I'm going to drain the water. So after soaking your corn for a day, this is what I'm going to do. You look for a sack. This is how I'm going to cover it using a sack. Remember to drain all the water, and then I'm going to wrap it like so. Yes. So all what you need to be doing is to be sprinkling water every morning. So this is day 4 and here comes our sprouted corn. This is our sprouted corn. Wow. This is our sprouted corn. It's now ready for my chicken consumption. So there are so many ways of sprouting corn, but I chose this way. So now I'm going to wash it again. I'm going to wash it before giving it to my birds. So there are so many ways of sprouting corn. You may choose to place your corn on the trays and then be sprinkling water every day. I'm going to wash it. Wow, this is so good. This is so good for my layer chicken. So I think the corn is properly washed. So giving sprouted corn, I think, is better than giving them just ordinary corn. And now I'm going to allow the water to drain before serving it to my birds. So now we are going to serve it to our birds using their feeding trays. You are going to see how my birds will rush this sprouted corn. They are going to rush it. They love it so much. So our sprouted corn is now ready for our birds. Can we go and serve them now? Wow. Let's go. So my birds are eagerly waiting. They are eagerly waiting. Look at that. Look at the way they are rushing it. Wow. So why not try to cut down the cost of feed by introducing sprouted corn to your chicken? Watch out for another video on how to make sprouted rice. Sprouted rice is also good for our layer chicken. And I have so many videos on this channel. You can go through the channel. I made a video on how to make fermented banana plantain stem. That is another way to cut down feed costs in our poultry farms. Thank you so much for watching.